Watercress looks like a simple leafy green, but it might be one of the most powerful vegetables you're not eating enough of. In this video, we're breaking down its real health benefits, nutrition facts, and the side effects you should know before adding it to your plate. Packed with nutrients. Watercress is extremely low in calories, but rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It also contains calcium, potassium, iron, and manganese, making it one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables per calorie you can eat. In fact, some studies rank it as the single most nutrient-dense vegetable available. Supports bone health. Thanks to its high vitamin K content, watercress plays a key role in bone formation and helps maintain bone density. Regular consumption may support stronger bones and reduce the risk of fractures, especially as you age. Boosts immune function. Vitamin C in watercress helps strengthen the immune system by supporting white blood cell production. This can help your body fight off infections, heal wounds faster, and recover more quickly from illness. May have anti-cancer properties. Watercress contains a compound called glucosinolate, which converts into isothiocyanates in the body. Several studies suggest these compounds may help protect cells from DNA damage and slow the growth of certain cancer cells, particularly lung and breast cancer. Good for heart health. The potassium and antioxidants in watercress may help regulate blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress on blood vessels. This combination supports overall cardiovascular health and may lower the risk of heart disease over time. Supports healthy skin. Vitamin A and antioxidants in watercress help protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may contribute to a healthier, more youthful appearance and can help reduce visible signs of aging. Aids in weight management. With very few calories and almost no fat, watercress is a great addition to any weight loss diet. Its fiber content also helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Easy to add to your diet. Watercress works well in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and soups. Its slightly peppery taste adds flavor without needing extra salt or seasoning, making it an easy and healthy addition to almost any meal. Possible side effects. While watercress is generally safe, eating it in very large amounts may cause stomach irritation or digestive discomfort. People on blood-thinning medication should be cautious, since vitamin K can affect blood clotting. It's also important to wash watercress thoroughly before eating, as it's often grown in water and can carry bacteria or parasites if not cleaned properly. So, should you add watercress to your diet? With its impressive nutrient profile and long list of potential health benefits, it's definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of the precautions we covered today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more health content, and let us know in the comments if you already eat watercress.